Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how can you enable the hidden files and how can you enable yourself to see the hidden files in your Windows PC. So for that, there are very simple steps that we need to undertake. So first thing we need to do is go to the search um, box in the taskbar and type in show. So as soon as you type show, you will get the system settings, show hidden files. So just click on that. And once you're in there, make sure you are getting this heading that is for developers. So here you need to scroll down in the file explorer section. You will find this option, change setting to show hidden and system files. So there is a show settings button just in front of it. Click on that. Make sure you are in the view, and here you need to go to advanced settings, and in the advanced settings there is this option called hidden files and folders. So make sure it is selected to this option, show hidden files, folders and drives. In case it is not there, so just click over here and click on OK to apply the changes, and that's it. That should show you all the hidden files, folders and the drives that are available in your PC. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.